So technology isn't as hard as it seems, and to prove that to you, I'm going to be explaining what an API is while heading to a fall festival in New York City. All right, so I just got here and it's actually really packed in there. I'm really happy I came. This is a lot more than I expected, but because of that, I'm going to have to record from the car. I will take videos in there and possibly show you some B-roll and whatnot if you're interested in that, but yeah. But moving on, an API is known as an application programming interface. What it does is allows you to retrieve data from other websites or anywhere else that has an API and use that data accordingly. And so if you view it instead in the lens of a library, it makes things a lot simpler and easier to understand. If you ever visited a library, what do? You go up to a librarian, you ask them for a book, right? That librarian then looks up that book on their system. That book is on a bookshelf. They then go get the book, or they tell you where the book is so you can retrieve it, then you can check it out. And that's literally how an API works. From a high level view, right? You have a data point, it goes and looks in a data set to be able to find that piece of data for you, and then it returns that piece of data for you, and then you can use that data however you want. Now, there's definitely more advanced things on configurations and this and that, and we can get into all of those at a later point, but I wanted to show you how if you can view technical things in a non-technical way, just to help you understand them, it makes your life a lot easier. And yeah, so if you found this useful, send it to somebody else who might find it useful. Someone who might think that technical things are hard to learn, but I'm hoping me explaining them in a non-technical way will help you guys understand. But yeah, all right. I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.